The music ministry program of the Abbey Reformed United Church of Christ is pleased to bring to you the sounds of Christmas. For the Advent Christmas season, beginning Sunday, November 29th, selections of Christmas music will be posted daily on our social media channels. These include the Abbey Facebook page, the Abbey YouTube channel, and the Abbey Church website. The collection of music features a variety of ensembles and instruments for your listening pleasure. We encourage you to share the Facebook posts with others in the spirit of spreading hope, peace, joy, and love during this Christmas season. Many thanks to all of the musicians who joyfully share their talents, and a special shout out to the audio-visual team for the hours of recording, compiling, editing, and posting the music to our social media platforms. We hope and pray that you will enjoy the sounds of Christmas, joyfully brought to you by the music ministry program of the Abbey Reformed United Church of Christ. Blessings and peace to all of you during this Advent Christmas season.